Are you wanting to flip houses and you simply have no money or credit to do so? Well, I'm going to show you how we started from nothing, no money, and have flipped over 25 properties. We're building houses, we're doing everything, again, with none of our own money. I'm going to show you a 3-step process that we always follow that has helped us flip properties time and time again, continues to help us, and will continue to help us moving forward. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start from nothing, how to flip houses with no money. So if you are ready to get your mind blown, let's go. This is John Barbera with an investor's journey, bringing you the freshest tips and strategies to help you invest in real estate the right way. In this channel, we bring you real life strategies as full-time real estate investors, like this video right here. So if you're new, consider subscribing. Guys, 2021 is gonna be insane. We have so much more content we're gonna be putting out, so much free trainings. We're gonna be doing series where it's gonna take you from nothing all the way to the end on wholesaling, flipping, buy and hold. All of this stuff is gonna be free. We're gonna be doing live Q&As to kind of brainstorm ideas, do some training, really bring you all the value and all the help. So if you want this, if you want to make 2021 the best year ever, make sure you subscribe and you hit that notification button so you get notified every time we put out a video. And I will greatly appreciate it if you share this with somebody else that you know is wanting to make 2021 so impactful in their real estate business. I really appreciate that. And let's get into this video. This episode is a continuation of the series on how to build a cash buyers list in 2021. If you haven't seen it, you can click up here or check the link in the descriptions. I'm going to put the link to the whole series. You can go in there and catch up. In that series so far, we've covered how it is that you can actually get started in wholesaling by simply building the right buyers list. So if you've been watching it, you understand what I'm talking about and you're all caught up. Now, I'm going to show you how to use that right buyers list that you've been building. Hopefully, you've been building it correctly, following all the steps. How to use that same buyers list to now start finding and buying houses so you can start flipping them without using your own money. When we used to be only wholesalers, that we were just wholesaling properties, we used to dream about the day that we're going to have enough money to be able to actually keep some of these amazing deals we were finding and that we were wholesaling. Right? And make more than that 5, 10, 15 grand, whatever you were making on that wholesale, thinking like, man, that would just be an extra 5, 10, 15 grand along with the actual profit from flipping it. And we were just going along thinking, we just needed to do more deals, save up more money until we can afford it. Until one day that little light bulb just ding, went off and we realized that we should start using the buyers list that we've been building, nurturing, and growing to help us grow as investors. Make sure you stick around till the end, as I'm going to show you a very, very interesting tip that's going to help you make a ton of money with very little risk when flipping houses. So here's the 3-step process that we followed to be able to go from nothing, not having any money, to flipping over 25 properties, building houses and everything. Number 1, we have a great reputation. This is something I've told you in prior videos. Your reputations when you're starting off is everything. It's actually the only thing you have. All right. Because even when you're starting off, you have no business. You are the business. We had been working with buyers that loved working with us because we were bringing them profitable deals, deals that they could always count on, and deals that were always just making them money, hitting the nail on the head of everything that they were wanting. So when we decided to move on to flipping, it really wasn't that hard of a sell because they already knew who we were. They already knew that we knew what the market was, what the deals are, what these properties are going to sell for, what they need, because we were telling them, we were giving them the properties, and it was always playing out that way because we cared a lot about understanding the market, understanding the strategies. So we had proven to people that we knew what we were talking about. Number 2, finding that right buyer. So in this episode, on what to ask cash buyers, I covered how important it is to qualify your buyers. When you do this, you're going to be able to know which one of your buyers is struggling with time when it comes time to flipping houses. Your approach here is very simple. You show them that now they have a chance to partner with you. And even though they want to take advantage of flipping houses, but they don't have the time, you do. So now they can partner with you and you handle the flipping and they can handle the actual investing. Now, number 3, structuring the right partnership. What does this matter? You need to value education over profit. You need to value credibility over profit. And you need to value experience over profit. Now, keeping that in mind, you're going to tell them, look, I'll bring the deal. I'll find it, negotiate it, do everything. I'll bring the deal, something that makes sense, something that you would normally buy. And then I will help with the renovations, managing the contractors, picking up materials, meeting people at the house, all of these things. All you have to do is just provide the money and we'll split everything 50-50. Now you're probably saying, John, what if they want more than 50-50? Give it to them. This is not the time to be greedy. Remember what I said. Education, experience, credibility over profit. All right? These are the things that you're lacking. These are the reasons why you cannot afford to flip properties. You need to build these up. And how do you build these up and still get paid? By partnering. And you're going to complain about 50% or whatever percentage they want? Give it to them. Give them whatever percentage they want. It doesn't matter because, again, you need to build these 3 things so then you can eventually go off on your own where now you don't need to do that and you can take 100%. But until then, you need to build these 3 things up. If you really need the money, look, just wholesale it. You don't have to flip. But just don't complain that you're still a wholesaler, that you can't even become an investor because you don't understand what the hell you're doing and you have no credibility, no experience flipping houses, and nobody's willing to lend you money on doing this. You have to be able to sacrifice something, if you even call it a sacrifice, to partner with somebody that can provide you with the experience, provide you with the knowledge, provide you with the credibility, so then later you can start doing this. In the next video that I'm going to be doing, I'm going to cover how it is that you can grow from these partnerships to actually owning 100% of the deal. Now, the time frame from that is 100% up to you. We did it with one deal. It might take you 5, it might take you 1, it might take you 10. The point is that it's going to take you where you want to get to. So it should not be a matter of how long do I take to get there. It's more of what's going to happen when I do. So hit that bell to get notified of that next video. So what is that bonus tip? Is you have to know your market. The more you know your market, the more you're going to be able to take advantage of wherever the market is right now. So when COVID happened, because we knew our market, we were able to pick up deals that are pretty marginal that most people were not going to pick up and people were turning away because it didn't fit those strategies that they're used to doing. But we understood where the market was, so we took these deals down and we were making great money doing this. If you click right up here or in the link below in the description, I'll show you a video that we did a walkthrough on how we made 40 grand in less than a week by doing a strategy that cost us very little risk. The only reason we were able to do this strategy is because we knew the market. If we didn't know the market, we wouldn't have been able to do that. We would have analyzed it the way we always analyze our deals. But because we understand and know where the market is, we knew we could do that deal and still make that money that we wanted to make. So if you want to make sure you understand how to build this buyer's list and how to do all this correctly, click the link up here. It's going to take you to the whole series. And for more training, check this out right here. And if you've been getting value, I always ask this, share it. Share it with your friends. Share it with somebody that's going to bring them value. It means a lot to me. So thank you for watching, and now we'll catch you on the next one.